been lied to about how wealth is built. While you scrape together small percentage points on a public index fund, the architects of financial supremacy are playing a different game. Welcome to the billionaire moat. This is an invisible fortress designed to keep you comfortably mediocre. Wall Street gatekeepers spent decades convincing the public that buying stocks and waiting 30 years is the only safe path to retirement. It is a brilliant scam designed to siphon your liquidity. Meanwhile, life-changing returns are locked away in private equity. This is the velvet rope club of investing. It requires minimum buy-ins of $5 million. You must already be rich before they let you get richer. When a private tech startup skyrockets, or an exclusive commercial real estate portfolio generates massive cash flow, the 99% are locked out. You only buy in when the company finally goes public. By then, the elites have squeezed out the explosive growth. They call this the illiquidity premium. It is the reward for locking money away in private deals where it cannot be easily sold. They hoard the greatest wealth-generating engines in history behind ironclad legal barriers. But fortresses crumble. The velvet rope is about to burn. Technology has finally caught up to their greed. The financial gates are shattering. Enter the technological wrecking ball known as tokenization. This is the total rewiring of the global financial system. Imagine you want to buy a $100 million skyscraper. Historically, only a massive private equity firm could write that check. Now imagine taking the legal deed to that skyscraper and feeding it through a digital shredder. Instead of destroying the deed, the shredder turns it into 1 million indestructible puzzle pieces. Each piece represents a legally binding fraction of that exact building. This is what blockchain technology does to real-world assets. It allows a monumental, inaccessible asset to be divided into thousands of microshares. These shares are represented by digital tokens on a blockchain network. They are governed by smart contracts. A smart contract is an unbribable, automated digital robot. It executes the rules of the deal without a greedy middleman taking a cut. If the skyscraper pays rent, the smart contract instantly distributes the profit to everyone holding a puzzle piece. No brokers, no hidden fees, no delays. Wall Street hates this because it makes them obsolete. They thrive on the friction of old systems. Tokenization strips away their power and hands it directly to you. It transforms illiquid, slow-moving behemoths of private wealth into highly liquid, tradable assets. You can now buy, sell, or trade your fraction of a private equity deal 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, from a smartphone. The drawbridge is down. Welcome to the new reality. Let us talk about what you can actually buy with $50 today. In the past, $50 barely covered a wire transfer fee. Today, it buys you a slice of sovereign power. Look at commercial real estate. Instead of saving for a decade to put a down payment on a mediocre rental property, you can deploy your capital into a premier industrial logistics hub or a luxury apartment complex in Dubai. You hold the token. You collect the yield. If you need cash, you sell your token instantly on a secondary market. Now consider fine art. Blue-chip masterpieces by legendary artists have outperformed the stock market for decades. They are the ultimate inflation hedge for billionaires. Through tokenized wealth platforms, you can purchase a fraction of a $50 million masterpiece. You own a verified piece of cultural history, safely stored in a high-security vault in Geneva, while your portfolio quietly appreciates. Or look at the holy grail of private equity, which is early-stage venture capital. Historically, getting access to the next massive tech giant before it went public was impossible unless you went to the right Ivy League school or played golf with venture capitalists. Today, decentralized investment pools are tokenizing equity in private artificial intelligence startups, space exploration companies, and biotech pioneers. You can sit in your living room, bypass traditional brokerage accounts, and inject $50 directly into the seed round of a unicorn company. The playing field is not just leveled, it has been entirely rewritten. You no longer need permission to build generational wealth. But sovereignty demands responsibility. The velvet rope may be gone, but the jungle remains dangerous. You must equip yourself with the sovereign playbook. First, understand the risks. The blockchain is transparent, but it is unforgiving. If you send funds to a fraudulent platform, there is no customer service hotline to bail you out. You must ruthlessly test every platform. Look for tokenized asset providers that are fully compliant with securities laws. Legitimate platforms will have regular, third-party audits of their smart contracts. They will provide transparent proof of reserves, ensuring that the physical asset actually exists in the real world and is legally bound to the digital token. Do not blindly chase impossible yields. If a protocol promises you 50% guaranteed returns, it is a trap designed to steal your capital. True private equity wealth is built on solid, fundamental assets, not digital illusions. You are stepping into the arena with the heavyweights, and you must protect your downside with extreme prejudice. Take the time to understand the legal structure behind the tokens you purchase. Remember, I am an educator, not your personal financial advisor. This is not financial advice, it is a wake-up call. It is a map to the hidden doors of the financial matrix. You have spent your entire life playing by rules written by people who want you to lose. They built their towering glass skyscrapers on the foundation of your restricted access. But the era of the gatekeeper is over. The tools of the ultra-rich have been democratized, digitized, and placed directly into your hands. A $50 investment will not make you a billionaire overnight, but it is the first step toward breaking the mental chains of financial servitude. Stop asking for permission to be wealthy. Claim your slice of the world. Build your own sovereign assets.